Monkey market is a market with a large swing up and down, jumps up to put and falls down to call. It is the best way to operate the monkey market. At present, this market is in a period of divergence between rising and falling. Some people firmly believe that the bull market is still there, while others firmly believe that the bear market will continue. And both sides insist on their own words, and they also have their own logic. As an investor, you must have your own judgment. Don't sway back and forth. Otherwise it will be easy to be trapped. This is the most uncomfortable thing. Here I still believe that the pattern of the bull market has not changed. U.S. Senate Leader Schumer said that the U.S. Senate will continue to advance the $1 trillion infrastructure bill at noon local time on Saturday. If the bill is passed, it will increase the U.S. federal budget deficit by $256 billion in 10 years. In any case, it is a good thing for our currency circle, but the fundraising in this infrastructure bill mentions the currency circle. Intend to collect $23 billion in taxes from crypto assets. This is a big tax for investors, and why some institutional investors have waited in the near future waiting for the implementation of the infrastructure bill. From the 1,000 to 10,000 wallet address, as the market rises, there is a certain amount of selling pressure. The outflow of smart money from the market means that it is still difficult to directly break through the previous high in the short term. Coinbase announced the integration with Google Pay and Apple Pay. Through these two giant payment channels, people can directly complete the deposit and realization of buying and selling coins, each up to $100,000. And there is no limit to the number of times per day. At present, Coinbase has already cooperated with debit and credit cards linked to Visa, and MasterCard are authorized to purchase cryptocurrency in more than 20 countries around the world. Coinbase is working hard to open up the connection between the traditional world and the encrypted world. In the future, the lower the cost of people entering the currency circle, the more conducive to the popularization of the industry. A new study by Fortune Business Insights predicts that the size of the cryptocurrency market will be $754 million in 2021 and will reach $1.758 billion by 2027. Although the overall forecast has little room for growth, it still shows a thriving crypto industry. As long as the industry is in line with the development of the times, it is worthy of our embrace and long-term holding. The high-frequency trading giant Virtu has officially entered the crypto market to make markets, and the market maker is making markets on Coinbase and Gemini. Professional market-making institutions have entered the currency circle and injected new vitality into the liquidity of the market. This is one of the reasons why the liquidity of Bitcoin trading is so good. Genesis reports that in the second quarter of 2021, institutional investors are paying more and more attention to Ethereum and DeFi tokens. Bitcoin's market value has dropped from 70% to below 45%, while Ethereum's share has increased 25%. Organizations are concerned about Ethereum naturally. Needless to say, in the DeFi field, Uni and AAVE, the two leaders with more certainty in the future, should be paid the most attention by organizations. Asset management company Invesco applied to the SEC for a Bitcoin ETF yesterday. Another giant came in. Let's see when the SEC will approve it. Xiaomi's Portuguese store began to accept cryptocurrency payments. Customers can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and Dash to purchase Xiaomi products. Then Xiaomi officially stated that the behavior was published by a third-party authorized store in Portugal and has nothing to do with Xiaomi. From January to July, Stablecoins printed a total of $124.284 billion and a net printing of $78.716 billion. This was basically concentrated in the first half of the year. These incremental funds promoted the market rise. The second half of the year is still poor and has little reference value. The ARK fund already holds more than $16.2 million in ETHE, and at the same time increased its holdings in Coinbase stock. ARK investment appreciates the innovation of Ethereum and DeFi. Deals with a scale of more than $1 million have risen sharply in the past week and accounted for 46.5% of the total turnover. This shows that large funds are changing hands around 40,000, which once again reflects the pressure on this position. The ETH London upgrade is over. In one day, more than 4,000 Ethereum has been destroyed. At this rate, millions of Ethereum can be destroyed a year. Does it have a big impact? In fact, it's not big. There are currently more than 6 million locked in the Ethereum 2.0 protocol, and more than 3 million locked on the DeFi chain. Fortunately, it is a long-term deflation, which is also a good thing. Ethereum is weak today. It shows that deflation is better than expected. Here is my market analysis. Bitcoin regained its strength today, and funds have been converted back again. The super pressure of 42,000 is expected to be challenged again. However, judging from the selling pressure of the market, madmen still believe that the weekend will be dominated by shocks. Tonight, the United States may have a wave of upward impact, but it should not be too strong overall. Continue to participate in the market according to the monkey market's gameplay. ETH, rising from 1,700 to 2,800, there is basically no decent callback. Yesterday, it pulled up again after a good landing. It hit the strong pressure zone and failed to continue to break through. There is a short-term callback expectation. It is recommended not to chase high and wait patiently for the phase. Participate after the callback. The support level is near 2,600. The recent trend is not bad, and it is expected to continue to rise. In short, continue to hold. Regardless of short-term market jumps, the final result will still rise. After all, thank you for watching. Bye bye.